Welcome to my unboxing of my Turo gift for being a power host. Just a few gifts I got over the years. I got a mug. I got this hoodie from Turo. It's very comfy. And I got my name stitched on there too. 1 year power host anniversary. Thank you, Turo. I've been on this platform since 2016 and it has been doing me wonders. Like, I'm able to make an income. I don't have to work as much. I've had over 40 cars on the platform, and I just want to share this opportunity with you guys, or just share this unboxing moment with you guys from the gift that I received from Turo. So in order to be a power host, there's a few things that you need to meet in order to be eligible to become a power host. So your response rate and commitment rate has to be above 95%. You need to have a 95 acceptance rate with 5-star reviews, and you need to have at least 25 trips for the year. So I've met all those criteria every year. I haven't missed a quarter where you can become a power host. And with being a power host, you also get additional perks as well. Like, you get a dedicated manager, you get power host support. So literally when you call and you need to speak to somebody, right away you're speaking to an operator. Another cool perk is you get a claims convenience cash perks, where they either give you $75 if they get you a rental, or if you resolve with a guest for like some damages, you get $50, which is pretty cool. We also get early access to new features and early pilot projects, which is pretty cool as well. So let's get down to the unboxing of my gift. Package is really nice. Came today. I was expecting another sweater or maybe a hat, t-shirt. Wow, very nice. I might keep the box. Ooh, I did get a hat. This is a French. Oh, power host. Yeah, this is in French. But okay. Oh, no. Yep, this is in French. Oh, cool. I got some Turo socks. Okay, some Turo socks. Oh, I got another mug. Power host. This one says power host. This one says fuel me up. So I got 2 mugs. And I got a Turo cap. Alright. Hats don't really suit me, but you know, it will do. Yeah, so I got a Turo cap. I got a new mug, some socks to go along with the rest of my accessories that I got from Turo. Alright. Perfect. As I mentioned earlier, I've been on this platform since 2016 and it's been treating me well. So the whole reason I got into this industry is because I used to work for a car rental company and they just treated me horribly. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna start my own rental company. Lo and behold, Turo popped up and I was like, hey, this is almost like a loophole into getting into the industry. So I was like, hey, why not join this platform? All I have to do is put my car in there and boom, I get renters. So I said, okay. I joined it, and it gave me the freedom to buy any car I want and not have to worry about car payments. I was ranked 2nd for earning 2 years in a row when it first came to Canada, and I was only beat up by a Porsche. I had a Mercedes-Benz CLS 550. That was like my dream car, and I was able to get it, rent it on Turo, and be able to drive it when I wanted to and not have to worry about car payments. And I was like, what? It was a no-brainer for me, so I just kept doing it, you know? And that wasn't my first car. My first car was that was my first car. Yeah, my first car that I did list on the platform was a CLS 2008 CLS 550 or 500. I'm not sure the year. But yeah, that was my first car I listed on there. And it's like, as I put the car on the platform, boom, next day I got a rental. I was like, oh, this is easy. And I just kept doing it, and then I just added 1 car to the next till I got to 13 cars. I used to do Uber, and I was like, you know what, this is way too much for me. And when I found Turo, I was like, oh, this is like a no-brainer. Let me just shift my business over here. So I went to Turo. After that, I've never looked back at doing Uber, and I've been doing Turo ever since. I've grossed over $250,000 on this platform. and I'm still making money to this date. I was able to make it through the pandemic. And if you can make it through a pandemic with your business, you can make it through anything. That was my unboxing, and I've linked a video above for you to watch next on 5 ways Turo hosts make money.